Up to 50,000 of elephants are killed every year. Only 3,000 of tigers remain in the wild right now. And approximately 1 billion of animals died as the result of the recent Australian fires. We hear all the stories of will all the time, whether it's pandas, tigers, condors, or corals. But why should we care? Sure, it will be sad if there are no more cute pandas in the world, but we are not dependent on them. My name is MariievaMariia, and I'm representative of World Wildlife Fund. And during the next 5 minutes, I will answer the question, what's the point of conservation? To begin with, it's obvious that extinction is a natural process. But the problem is that right now, so many species are wiping out much faster than they used to do in the past. In fact, one of the recent studies revealed that the extinction rate has increased 100 times over the last century. And we humans are the ones who has to be blamed of it because of our activity. Another reason why to preserve our natural life is because we simply want to. We love nature. We adore animals. We call them magnificent, majestic, fabulous. We enjoy watching videos with cute pandas, tigers, and lions on Instagram. We also like to go out and for a walk in the depth sunlight of an old forest or go scuba diving over the coral reefs. Nature is beautiful by itself. And if we decide to preserve artistic masterpiece like Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci for its aesthetical value, why shouldn't we keep the nature for the same reason? But besides, you might also ask yourself, why should I take care about something without a brain or with a name I cannot even pronounce? Well, the thing is that so many endangered species of plants and microorganisms and fungi are used and applied in medicine. One of the recent studies has revealed that 50% of 150 medicines were derived from plants or any other natural product. And unfortunately, only 5% of these plants were identified, and much more need to be. Finally, preserving wildlife on planet Earth maintains the well-balanced ecosystem. Imagine a world where the humans are the only species, living in a spaceship far away from Earth. There is no plant releasing oxygen, so we need to engineer it artificially. And this artificial plant would also have to provide us with water, as there is no access for it, as well as there is no food, so we have to make it artificially again, synthesizing fats, sugars, acids, and whatever. Yes, it's possible, but it will be very hard for us to make it appetizing. And I should not also mention all these microorganisms that live in our gut that promote our health. My point is that we can, in theory, go and do all these things artificially, but it will be much easier just to take it from the planet as it was given to us. As humans and nature are all tied together. And when one species disappears, it can alter the whole ecosystems by the concept of the chain reaction. And when we choose to preserve one particular species, we also choose to extend the life of its habitat as well as other individual species who live alongside with that particular one. Saving the wildlife on planet Earth lies in the very heart of our organization, World Wildlife Fund. Here we work hard to protect economically, ecologically, and culturally endangered species whose survival is under question because of their habitat loss, because of poaching or illegal trade. We already did a lot. For example, one of our recent success is increased number of mountain gorillas. And right now there is more than 1,000 of gorillas in the world, which is a 25% increase of its population since 2010. But we can be even much more efficient and effective with your support. I highly encourage you as an individual to contribute to our organization by volunteering or donating money to it. Also, you can make a symbolic donation and adopt a wild animal. In return, we'll send you a special certificate of your adoption as well as a plush toy of that animal. In the end, I would like to reinforce again the idea that natural world needs to be saved because of its aesthetical value, medical application, as well as the importance of endangered species for maintaining a balanced ecosystem in our world. We need to understand that the nature doesn't exist for us. It exists with us, and human exists with nature. In other words, via contributing on an individual level, for example, volunteering for WWF, you take care not only about the endangered species of animals and plants, but also about your future. Thank you for your attention.